Welcome viewers to the ForexPropFirm.com YouTube channel. I'm your host, Valentine. Today we are going to have an insightful discussion about the January trading challenge. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of all of the challenges that were taken during January. So for that, I made a small PowerPoint presentation where I'm going to show you the different challenges. And before I'm going into the PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to talk about the rules for every challenge. Okay, so for the one-step challenge, we have a profit target 10%. The daily drawdown is -4% and the maximum drawdown is -6%. You don't have any minimum trading days or any maximum trading days. For the two-step challenge, the phase 1 profit target is 8%, the phase 2 profit target is 5%. You don't have a daily drawdown and the maximum drawdown is -12%. You have a minimum of 5 trading days for each phase, and the maximum of trading days is for phase 1 35 days and for phase 2 60 days. The two-step challenge pro, you have a 10% profit target in phase 1, a 5% profit target in phase 2, and a daily drawdown of -5% and the max drawdown of -10%. You don't have any maximum trading days, but you have a minimum of 3 trading days for each phase. Okay. So now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so as you can see here, January trading challenge review. The first picture, you can see the total challenges. The total challenges that have been taken are 2,476. And out of these 2,467, the total pass challenges are 300. The overall pass percentage is 12.16%. So, as you can see in the diagram here, the total challenges in blue, in red, the past challenges, and here you have the one-step, the two-step, and the two-step pro, which I'm going to show you in the next few slides. One-step challenge, you had 1,020 total challenges taken, and out of these 1,020 challenges, 106 have been passed, which is a pass percentage of 10.4%, as you can see in the diagram. Blue is the total and orange is the passed. Two-step challenge, you had 949 total challenges taken, and out of these 949, 187 challenges have been passed, which is a pass percentage of 17.9%. In blue, you have the total challenges. In orange, you have the past challenges as well. Now we are going to go over the two-step challenge pro, where we had 435 challenges taken, and out of these there were only 60 challenges taken, which is a pass percentage of 3.5%. When we go back here, as you can see, the one-step challenge was the challenge that was taken the most, with over 1,000 participants. Two-step challenge 949, and two-step challenge pro with the less participants out of these 3 challenges, and the pass percentage is the lowest as well. So the two-step challenge had the highest pass percentage with 17.9%, even higher than the one-step challenge, which was only 10%, which I was a little bit curious about, because I thought that the one-step challenge is going to have a higher pass percentage, but at the end of the day, really doesn't matter. And yeah, that's all for the challenges of January. February is almost done. I'm going to review this on the YouTube channel as well. And I encourage you guys to definitely participate in the upcoming March challenge as well. So yeah, just sign up for it and you can go from there. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to ask anything or want to know something, just write it out in the comments and I'm going to get back to you. And yeah, definitely I encourage you guys to participate in future and in upcoming challenges so that I have a little bit more to talk about, to review. Until next time, good trading.